In today's video, I will teach you how to layer images in PicMonkey. Let's get started. First, open the image that you would like to edit in PicMonkey. At the right side of the editor, you will see the Layers panel. If the Layers panel is hidden, simply click on the Layers icon at the bottom right side of the editor. In the Layers panel, you will see that the image that you've opened is classified as a background layer. To make your image a separate layer from the background layer, simply click on the lock icon to convert your image into a layer. Now, if you add images, text, or graphics, each one of those elements will be a separate layer. To add images to your design, simply go to the Photos and Videos tab at the sidebar, and either choose from thousands of free and premium stock images in PicMonkey's library, or simply upload your own files. And once you've added the image into the canvas, you will see that the newly added image has its own separate layer that you can move above or below the other layers. You can also do the same with the text layers. Simply open the Text tab and add a new text box. At the Layers panel, you can see that the newly added text box is now its own separate layer. Just take note that the layers at the top are going to be at the foreground of your design, and the layers at the bottom will be the background of your design. So, if you would like to make a particular layer visible, simply drag it above other layers. But you can also change the blending mode and opacity of a layer so that if you move it at the top, the layers below it is still going to be visible. To do that, select the layer that you would like to change the blending mode or opacity. For the sake of the tutorial, I will make a new graphics layer and fill it with gradient. Now at the sidebar, go to the Fade and Blend tab. Here you have the option to adjust the opacity of the layer by simply using the Fade slider. And you can also change the blending mode of the selected layer by opening the Blending Mode drop-down menu. And once you're satisfied with your design, you can now download it to your computer or share it to your social media. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.